guys, thanks for tuning in to Nizzysplayhouse. I know my setup is looking a little bit different. I'm trying something new. Let me know what you guys think. You know, I'm trying to be more YouTuber-y or whatever. So yeah, for today's video, I seen this challenge on TikTok. Like, I'm literally obsessed with TikTok. There's this challenge going around where you take a palette and you like put numbers on it and stuff, and you create a look using those 3 numbers. So I'm gonna try that today and see, you know, what that do. So today's palette I'm gonna be using is actually the Alyssa Edwards palette. Like, I'm so geeked that I have it. Whoops. Damn. I'm so geeked that I have this palette. Like, look at the color on this. Damn, I keep dropping the damn brush, but look at the color payoff on this bad boy. Like, oh my god. I'll also be doing my honest review on this palette at the end, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And if you aren't doing so already, go ahead and give this video, Richard, come on. See, Jesus. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl in my YouTube journey, of course. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, y'all, so I did my eyebrows off camera like I always do. And we're going in with the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Yes, ma'am. So I'm pressing in that pink shimmer all over my lid. I'm just packing it on. And then I went ahead and packed on this shimmery purple. And I know they say don't put shimmer in the crease, but let me tell y'all, like, you can do what you want to do. Like, don't be letting these girls tell you what you can and cannot do, because you can. So once that was, you know, packed on, I did go ahead and kind of blend that up a little bit, because as you can see, it's still kind of in my crease a little bit. So I'm just blending it out. We don't want it looking all jacked up or whatever. Then I'm taking that third dark and deep, that third shade, which was the darkest of them all. I'm packing that in the outer corner of my crease, which is gonna like give that area some depth and make it look very like deep and dark. That's what we want. Like, you always want that area to be kind of like dark, if that makes sense. So now I am using some mascara. I don't remember what this one is. I got it from my BoxyCharm a while back, and I just was using that. And today's lashes are from AliExpress, you guys. These are in the style EO7 by M Kiwi, I think. So I'll leave the link down below where you can get these at. So now onto the face. I am using my poreless primer. I'm almost out of this stuff, y'all. Like, I gotta restock up on that. Then I'm going in with my Black Radiance HD corrector, and I'm just color correcting all my dark areas, making sure that you don't see my bags and my stuff, you know, my goodies. We try to conceal everything, so cover those dark areas up and, you know, get them out of there or whatever. Now I'm using the NYX Born to Glow, and I'm just putting that everywhere, and I'm going ahead and buffing that out, just making sure that it's like all spread evenly. And then, as always, I'm using the as always, I'm using the Dynamic Duo that I talk about so much. And like, I love this stuff, you guys. Like, what? So yeah, I'm blending the foundation in. As you can see, I don't use a lot. I use maybe like a pump and a half, because I don't like that caked up look. And not to brag, but I don't be really needing foundation, so it's just extra. Now I'm going in and I'm blending, taking my beauty blender, and I'm just pressing that foundation in. This key is important, especially if you are going out, sis. Make sure that foundation is soaked in your skin. Like, your hands should be hurting after this, like, because it was. Then I'm using the Milani concealers. You guys know I love these concealers. Oh my. Then I'm going in with the ColourPop setting powder. This is in the shade Banana. And I'm putting that everywhere that I highlighted. So under my eye, chin, forehead, you know, the basics. And I'm swooping that off with my motor brush. My motor brush, baby. I don't know which one this is. Now I'm going in with the Cover FX contour palette. Let me tell y'all, I love this palette because it has a contour, a blush, a highlight, and a finishing powder all in one. Like, no wonder this thing is like freaking $60, but it's like so worth it, because you only have to grab for one palette and it does it all, and it comes in a variety of shades too. So yeah, now I'm just contouring my nose. I've been recently doing this because it makes it look like better. I don't know, using that same blush and that Cover FX. Lord, I can't talk. I'm using the same brush from the Cover FX palette, and I'm just, you know, warming up the face. Now I'm using the same finishing powder in that palette also to just create, you know, to bring everything together and bring back some color to my face. Then I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is my favorite. It makes your stuff stay, sis. Like, oh my god. Now I'm using this lip liner. This is NYX Club Hopper lip liner, and I'm just lining my lips. And then the 2 shades that I used were from Jeffree Star's collection. I think this was Naked or Naked Spice and Posh Spice or something like that. I don't know. I'm not too big on him, so I'm not gonna I'm not too big on him, so I'm not gonna like go into detail on that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I used 2 lip glosses for this, and I put the lighter pink on top, and it just kind of adds a little bit of dimension to your lip gloss or whatever. Then of course I'm using this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlight, which has been my favorite so far, and I'm just highlighting everything that needs to be highlighted, like, yes ma'am. So I'm back with the number challenge for my eyeshadow. So this is the look that I created. I'm so happy that it was pink and purple, because you guys know I absolutely love pink. You see the pink? I love pink, you guys. The universe was definitely on my side with this one. So yeah, overall the palette is amazing. Well, at least the 3 colors that I used were amazing. Like, the shadows blended so well, and I didn't have that much leave out or fallout, whatever they call it. Like, I am so impressed with this palette. Sis, let's go ahead and get into this swatch test. You know what I'm saying? So those are the colors, you guys. Like, super pigmented. Like, they do give you 2 transition shades. I know you can't see them really good on my arm, but they are really good transition shades. And all of these shades are so pigmented. Like, look at that yellow. Like, this is definitely a palette to have. Like, do you guys see how vibrant that is? And I didn't use any primer or anything on my arm, just a simple swatch of the colors. I definitely recommend this palette. Make sure you guys check this one out. I'll leave the link down below on where you can purchase this one. You can also get this at your local Sephora or Ulta or anything like that. So yes, this palette is a yes for me. This look is a yes for me. Everything I am super satisfied with. So that is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments box. Let me know if you have this palette or if you're gonna try this palette. And as always, thanks for watching.